What's up guys, it's Emily. So welcome to a freaking vlog. Finally, I am deciding to vlog. Haven't done it for a while, so yeah, so I'm hanging out with my friends. We're having a sleepover. We haven't had a sleepover together since summer 2016, so that was a while ago. So I'm so excited because we both have off. Well, actually, my one friend Destiny, she did work today, and she's hanging out with someone else, but she's gonna come later, like at 9 and stuff. But my one friend Shy, she's gonna be coming up really soon because she's in school, and so yeah, she graduated with my class, but she decided to do another year, so that's why. But we're all in the same grade. But yeah, well, used to be in the same grade. But yeah, I have the beds set up here. I had to move a whole bunch of stuff last night to make room for both of them. Usually we sleep in the downstairs room, but it's being like changing around and everything, so can't sleep down there. But yeah, so welcome to my vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. So we're actually gonna have a little celebration for Shy because her birthday was yesterday, and I kind of already did at work because we work together, but I'm gonna do another one. I got these like cute cupcakes, and I got a special cupcake for her, so eventually we'll probably show that then, and try to hide my camera maybe to catch a reaction maybe. But yeah, and then we're gonna go to the mall tomorrow. So yeah, so keep watching and come along, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
So my freaking camera lens was not working, so I was unable to film, but I finally got it start working. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I did on my Snapchat. Yeah, we made like deep fried Oreo, and it was really fun. So I'm just gonna show you on my friend's Snapchat right now.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
So yeah, oh, that's just the same thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you on my Snapchat. This is the cupcakes I got. So making fried deep Oreos. So let's do this thing. I've made one already. It looks really terrible, but that was first try. Okay. And yes, Shy taught me on how to do this because I can't do anything. Oh, look at that baby.
That's a good way to get burned. You're supposed to flip it.
I know, I'm trying. Is it good?
Chip the white together. It's soggy.
There it is, my deep fried Oreo. Really brown. So, yeah. Yeah, so sorry guys about that. I wish I was able to film, but like I said, I couldn't. The lens was being stupid. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna film tomorrow. That's when we're gonna go to the mall and everything. So yeah, so that's what we did tonight. So it's next day already. We're gonna go to the mall. There's Destiny. There's Shy. So yeah, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing maroon leggings with my flats, a black shirt with a black jacket, and got my rose gold purse and some rose gold jewelry, and I have Leo on my lips from Kylie, and yeah. So yeah, we're all ready to go, and yeah, can't wait. She is so afraid of the elevator or escalator.
Tell me it's over.
love you, Bryce. I love you, Bryce. I love you, Bryce. I love you, Bryce.
It's scary. Do you keep like repeating it?
That was so loud.
I didn't think it would be that loud. We're not listening. Hey, Peter.
I'm trying to think what. Okay.
I was trying to think what you're saying.
This is my baby. It's my cutie. And I love you so much.
Oh.
I really don't.
This is my baby. It's my cutie.
Stop.
And I love you so much.
Oh, so cute.
I might accidentally press it, so I'm sorry. It's okay. Just gotta make sure it's moving correct. So this guy's sound is gonna be at his chest because his arms and legs are movable.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright.
I haven't done this in so long.
Go ahead. Alright, now I want you guys to take the heart, put it between your hands like this. Rub it together to make it nice and warm. Clap it in your hands, give them heartbeats. Rub it in your forehead so they're smart. I'm not that smart. Okay. Your cheeks so they're smiling. Your ears so they can hear you. Your belly so they eat the same food you like. Your back so they always have your back. Spin around in a circle. Shake them up, make sure it works. And give them big kisses. Perfect.
I got my lipstick on it, but it's good.
That's okay.
I don't like that.
Makes it even better.
Okay, that's good enough. I'll even get it.
And now your turn.
I do not have a bath there.
Perfect.
Bath time for the Beos. Ready? Pose. I don't know what to name him. Fully. Name your fully. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's not touchscreen. No.
Oh. Wait. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I spelled it right.
That's what you two want to name him?
A son. That's what you want to name a son. Okay. I just have to make sure that that's fine. Yeah, I forgot the R. Are you having trouble?
No, I'm not today.
Do you have a nickname for him?
Baby.
Hmm.
Daddy.
Oh.
No.
We're not doing that one.
You
just got that, didn't
You can
you?
name baby.
No, we're not doing that.
I kind of name it Nugget though. I'm naming it now.
Okay, you gotta do it again.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
This again.
No more. So I got a strawberry and kiwi smoothie that's really good. And Destiny got, what did you get?
Peach and mango.
Ooh. And then Shai is getting hose right now. So yeah.
I could not do that.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
So we're done at the mall. We're just waiting for a ride. We're actually not taking a Uber. My dad's actually picking us up. So yeah, we went to Build-A-Bea, Spencer, which was interesting. And then
Spencer's is awesome.
we went to Hot Topic and did some damage there. And then we got some food and we went to the cave. So yeah, it was like fun. So we're just going back to my house. We got some pixels there. But we're just going back to my house and then Destiny will leave soon. And I don't know about Hope over there, but she's going sometime. But yeah. So I didn't get to film the ending of something crazy that we did. So full saw, my dad decided to pick us up instead of taking a Uber. And well, let me tell you about that. So he won his other truck that didn't have any room for both three of us, so we had to sit way in the back, like the trail back. So this is some videos that we filmed. My camera wasn't working, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay, so every sleepover us three girls do, we at least do one illegal thing. We are riding in the back of a truck. Back, because we don't have enough seats. Oh my gosh! That was so quick time. Oh my god. We're going everywhere.
So yeah, I'm gonna show you the one from my other friend as well. So the video from my friend Destiny isn't working for me for some reason, so I'm just gonna show you guys mine here.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! This needs to go in the video.
Yes, I was very excited about that, so yeah. I got the video to work now for my friend.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so. Oh my god. Emily's dad didn't know there was three of us, so he got the car that can only fit two people.
So first of all, you probably wondering why I'm wearing Sally Disney ears. I just filmed a haul and yes, do thank for Christmas, and I showed some of the stuff I got in this vlog. So make sure you go check that out then. So yeah, so this was weeks after the vlog because my camera actually broke. So, well, it didn't break, the lens just started working. I didn't drop it or nothing, it just started working, and I told you guys how my lens and camera was acting funky. So yeah, that's what happened. So I wasn't able to film like an ending and like what happened at the end, because something crazy happened at the end, which I already put it in the video. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys my Build-A-Beas up close, since I didn't really like get to show you guys. And also the other, I made a cat that I didn't get to show. So I'm going to show you guys right now. First, I'm going to show you guys the both fits. So I'm going to show you that right now. So I just got like a regular bag because I didn't want one of those bigger ones. But this is the both certificates that I got. So this is for the cat that I got. I just named it Daisy for my cat. And then I named the one for my boyfriend Nugget Drayson. I call him Nugget sometimes. And then Drayson is our son's name, so that's the middle name. So yeah, and then of course I just put belongs to William. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show you guys the animals that I made a Build-A-Bea. So this is a cute bear, and you can move its arms because it has like a special thing you can move its arms. They didn't really have much of like guys, like bears are just like regular cute bears. So yeah, and it has blue eyes, and I really like it. This outfit I actually got from eBay because I didn't really like any of the military outfits they had, and I really want to put a military outfit on it. And this goes like close to the outfit that he has. And also, I don't know if I can really like show you guys, but I put, you can kind of see it, the shirt is in the way. But I actually bought this when I was there. I got Batman underwear for the bear because he likes Batman, so I thought that would be funny. So there's some Batman boxers underneath there that I got a Build-A-Bea. So yeah, and then this is a cat I made. This outfit I had like a while ago. It was like a Justice collaboration that they did. This was a while ago, but I put it on the cat. But yeah, this is Daisy, named her after my cat. Like I said, she's really cute. I decided to just make one for myself. I put a scent in her that has strawberries. She smells so good, and I just really love her. She's purple, baby blue, which I love, and then she has pink in her. Pink's on her paws, and then this is the back of her. I love her tail because the rest of my Build-A-Beas don't have a tail like that. So yeah, I just really like her design and just like how she's made. She's kind of like tie-dye, and so yeah, so that's the Build-A-Beas that I made. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, and please give it a thumbs up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed.